How to fix iOS 18 beta update not showing up on iPhone. If you're using the latest and greatest iPhone, you would like to sign up for the beta program, but you're not being able to do so. Why is that the case? If you want to fix if the beta update is not showing, first of all, you must make sure that your iPhone itself is eligible for iOS 18 update. If your iPhone itself is not available or eligible for iOS 18, 19 or other updates, then in that case you will not even receive the beta update. This is usually the case when your iPhone has become pretty old, like 4 to 5 years. Now, if your iPhone is recently new and then you just recently bought it and you'd like to sign up for a beta program, in that case you have to enable the beta software update. To do that, open your settings and simply go to the General option. From General option, look for the option Software Update and tap on it. From Software Update, normally you can see automatic updates. But at the here you can see it says Beta Updates, which has been turned off. If you want to turn on beta updates, go to Beta Updates, select Public Beta option right here, and then come back. Now you can try to check for update, and you will most likely receive the beta update which you can install. Just keep in mind that the beta update might not be stable enough if you're daily driving your device. So if you really need your iPhone for your work purposes, I wouldn't really recommend it. But I hope this video helps you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.